What's up, guys? Welcome to a new vlog. Ray here. A quick unboxing of these lovely shoes. But before we do that, guys, you already know, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right, unboxing of these lovely shoes. I can see them, and these have been one of the most sort of shoes by yours truly. Because I live, let me quickly say this, I live in Rotterdam for like 15 years, yeah, probably 15 years. And in these 15 years, I've always wanted to, get something that reminds me of Rotterdam, and I love shoes. So this is one of the things I was really looking out for, and I finally got them. Yeah. So in 2000, this is when this came out. No, this is when this happened. So in 2000, there was Euros in Rotterdam that was played between Italy and France, I think. And to honor that finals, because the Euros just passed this summer actually, it doesn't feel like summer, it's the weather today is just mad. But to honor them, Adidas brought out these lovely shoes, and they are called Rotterdam 00, which is in the year 2000. And yeah, my size number, and they are called white, blue, I don't know. Yeah, bluebird and better scarlet. Bluebird and better scarlet. So yeah, I'm gonna just quickly show you guys the box. The usual Adidas box, nothing really exciting there, but the most interesting part is these ones. So these ones I've been looking out for, so you can see it on the edge down there, it's Rotterdam. I love these shoes, I love the colorway. So there is like a Italy colorways in there, and there is France colorways in there. The flag, I suppose. And oh my days, I can't wait to rock these ones. These ones look amazing on feet. So on the back is just plain blue and a beautiful heel side. So this is one shoe and the other one is here. So you got the palette, same palette on this side and on the other side too. Really love this. And representing Rotterdam, I was thinking, you know what, I totally need this one. So they come in today in the mail, and they come also with extra shoelaces. You got a blue one and a red one, which is amazing. But for now, I'm gonna totally leave them in white because I like that colorway, that combi. Yeah, so this the shoe. Really amazing. 360 on them. I love the material on these ones. This is so beautiful. Really amazing. I can't wait to rock them. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget, be kind to one another. Peace.